what is my exit strategy? Honestly, do you mean like in crypto or I'll just say in general, my exit strategy is to make more crypto. I mean, so make more crypto, but then when I do cash out, I cash out to dollars to cash, and I basically buy stuff I need. But right now, I don't really need anything, right? So, but I would say the next main big purchase is probably maybe a home, but not really trying to buy a home right now, right? Because I cashed out recently to help out my family with buying a home, but that was other than that, that's basically it. But let's say you want to buy a home, mortgage, down payment, whatever. You want to pay off debt. You want to pay loans, tuition. Cash out for that. Don't just cash out just to cash out. At least that's my perspective. Maybe if you want to have like a rainy day fund, right? Or maybe if you want to have like just cash in the bank, like maybe like one or a couple years worth of income that makes you feel comfortable and sleep well at night. I mean, maybe do that, or maybe, especially now with crypto, I would just cash out to stable coins if it's money you don't need, but you want to have just to have money to say you have money that's not really being used for investing, and then I would put some of that in yield farming, honestly, right? Stablecoin, for example, Vesper Finance. Let me actually pull up my screen here. Vesper. Vesper is the one I got into recently, and I'll show you what I'm looking at here. Yeah, so Vesper Finance, right? So right now you can deposit stablecoin USDC. They'll pay you 8%, 8.5%, which is decent. I mean, better than your regular bank. But they also pay you 57% APY in their own token. So especially the token is undervalued in my opinion, because if we go to actually let's go to Rari, right? If we go here, click on yield aggregator, it will show us all the different yield aggregators out there. Now, from a technology standpoint, Rari Capital slightly is better than Vesper, but from a market cap perspective, I like the low cap of Vesper compared to Rari, right? So if we just sort this by, yeah, so the top big dog in the space is Yearn, Wi-Fi, with $1.3 billion market cap. Then you have Alpha Finance at 400 million, Rari 170, and Vesper 74, right? It's up almost 60% in the last week or so. Actually, is it up the most compared to all this? Okay, so yeah, so it's doing pretty well recently. But for me, I like it because tokenomics makes sense and the yield, right? But I was doing this for a while, but after a while, I was like, why am I doing this? So I switched over to VSP and just bought this, right? So they're paying out 110% VSP. So I bought this, and I'm basically actually, let me take a look and see if I've made how much I've made, because I've done this for a couple of days, I believe. But anyway, the average yield APY in the last 1 month is 153%. It fluctuates because it's variable depending on number of deposits here. And then the way they have their tokenomics, there's a 24-hour waiting period to withdraw to avoid front running. So meaning that to avoid people just trying to game and trade in and out. So you have to wait a day to withdraw your tokens. But looking at this, I think, did I put 766? And I've earned, yeah, I wish they had a better breakdown of how much I actually sent here initially. Because even I don't really know. Because balance here is 820, balance here is 766. Anyway, Vesper is one I like. But I mean, Armor, that's the one, right? I've already earned 5 Armor tokens for buying insurance. I bought insurance less than 2 hours ago on the live stream, right? So the way this works is you connect your wallet to it. I mean, this is a game changer, honestly. I mean, that's why I'm very, very bullish on this. Not financial advice, but just think about this. You hook up your MetaMask, it scans your wallet, and you buy insurance with one click on everything in your wallet that has a that's being covered by Nexus Mutual. With one click, set and forget insurance. You don't have to go out there and try to figure out which one has insurance, which one doesn't. If it's available, they got you, right? So the way this worked, I covered this on the recent live stream. I put 0.5 ETH. Actually, that is, I would say, pretty expensive. But when you're thinking about it, this is insuring what? How much is this? So basically, let's say 0.5 ETH, right? Let's say like $1,000 to insure over $300,000. When you think about it like that, it's not too bad, right? Right. So $1,000 to insure 300 grand is not too bad, not too shabby. But this is a nice cherry on top. Earning tokens for buying insurance. I mean, the game theory is the tokenomics. That's pretty good. They're giving you an incentive to want to get insurance, because now, like, let's say, so basically, I put what? Yeah, so I put $1,000. Basically, they'll pay me $1,700 in Armor tokens in 1 year. In addition, right? So I'm getting insurance and I'm getting those tokens as well, right? So to me, it's, how do you lose? I mean, how do you lose? Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, but if Armor does a 10x, then I mean, things are really good. Plus, if we go to the liquidity rewards to give you an update in terms of what I've been doing, let's do just ETH and just Armor. So Uniswap is paying out 164% APY. So I've made almost, so if we take this plus, I'm doing 1 inch as well, right? Which is 168%. So let me just add this up here real quick. Plus this, and I think that's it, right? So I've made 9,300 Armor tokens basically in about a month, I think, give or take. All right, and if we come back here, the current price of Armor is 70 something cents, I believe. Oh, actually, wow, it's down. Okay, so 66 cents. So that times 0.66. So I've made $6,100 in Armor just for staking and adding liquidity, right? But if this goes to $1, that's even better. If this goes to $6, $10, now we're really talking, right? So that's why, I mean, to me, I'm just kind of in this for the long haul. But anyway, let me get to the questions here.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.